And this is the final exported version of Maz from Mudbox. And I just did a turnaround here just to check all the details. I found a few mistakes which I had to fix, but otherwise it's all good to go. So I'll open it up in Flash Print. Takes a few seconds to import. Now, usually, yeah, as usual, she appears in a weird position like that. So I just click on the model and rotate. You can either just rotate it using the using these or selecting these. So now the maximum height I have here is 14 centimeters. That's the maximum build height. So I'll put her on the platform like that, and then scale her down to I'll just bring her in just slightly below the top of the maximum there. So scale that. So that height there, she'll be about probably 14 centimeters perhaps. For the supports, I've got two options. I can go with the tree style, tree-like supports, or linear. Usually I use linear. I just think it gives a more stable sort of build, more accurate, particularly for more technical objects. For a character like this, if I go with the tree-like, I'll just do that. I'll run that. It'll take 20 seconds or so. And I just think that would be, it might print okay, but I'm just not too sure how that would, I can add more to try and make it more stable, but I think these hands it'll probably fail at these hands. So there's a number of options. I could rotate her around to maybe at an angle or something. I'll just clear those and I'll use the linear and run that. And that's the problem with the linear, is I'm getting a lot, because there's so many overhangs with this character, I'm getting a lot of supports all over the model. Now this will probably leave some artifacts, particularly on the underhangs here. So just looking at this, the linear supports may be fine. I'll probably do a few tests and see if it works. But what I'll do is I'll use the tree supports and I'll just add some more in, particularly for the hands, and then just try it out, just test it. So just drag like that. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Yeah, so the hands are going to be the big issue here. So there's no problem with just adding as many as I need, like that. So I'll just do that, and I can even add a few under the neck. And once that's done, from the thumb, like that. Yeah. The more the better, I think, for this. So there'll be no problem with the legs. They'll build fine. It's like there's some overhangs on the bottom of the pants there, so yeah. So once I've done this, I'll just go back. Ask me to save that file. It's a flash print file, and I'm ready to print. So I'll be printing her on the left extruder. Print, and I'll just go with the default settings. So it's medium resolution, ABS got a number of settings here. 15% infill. You can do hexagon or line infill. Hexagon's fine. To get higher resolution, you need to adjust the print speed and the layers. This number here, just reduce that down so you can go down to like 0.1 of a millimeter or something. That's all correct. Platform, that's right. Okay, so I'll just send that to the printer. And let's see what happens.